Hey everybody, long time no here. Anyways, time to make another video because there's some updates to the Dodge Charger this week. As you can see here in the background, I have some new tires, and I'm gonna flip this camera to show it to you. But basically, we drove this car to Indianapolis last Sunday, and there was a lot of shaking on the steering wheel, and I thought it was just an imbalanced wheel. So I brought it to my tire guy, and lo and behold, when he took the tires off, the inside section of the tire has been all eaten up, so it was wearing down unevenly, like the camber was really off. And it's worse on the passenger side, both in the front and in the back, and it's starting to do the same on the driver's side. So what I did is I bought those tires. They're Continental tires, same as what I have, but they're a little bit different size. They're 265/35 ZR22, so they're going to be a tad taller, about 3 inches of sidewall for the front. So I'm gonna get it installed tomorrow because it's kind of late in the afternoon. The UPS guy showed up. It's 4 o'clock, and they're busy over there at the tire place. So I'm gonna get it installed tomorrow, and you know, put this up in the video also, so you can see what it looks like when it's installed. But I'm gonna flip this camera to show you the tires. So here are the new tires. As you can see, Continental Extreme Contact DWS06, same as what I currently have. I like these tires, although they're expensive. They're $195 a piece. So 265/35 ZR22 XL102W, and traction ratings AA. The one I have is 265/30 22. So if you look at it, you know, side by side, the original tire, the one that's on it right now, it's just a tad taller, you know, just maybe you know, half an inch, maybe less taller, so it should be fine. The reason I got this tire size is it's recommended by my tire guy. You know, he said has 35 series sidewall. It's probably the best to run in this situation. So that's what I have. I have 2 in the fronts because I didn't realize that the backs were bad. So a day later when I went down there, the back also was bad, so I had to order the ones for the back, and they're hard to find. I'm looking for 305/30 22, and they're very hard to find, and the ones that are available are very, very expensive. But I need to figure out the camber issue first. I don't know if you can see it when I lower it, probably not. Let me turn the tires around to see, so you can see what it actually looks like. I'm gonna start this car so I can turn that steering wheel. So watch out if you're using a headphone. Make sure you're ready for the cold start. Started a Jeep also. Let's turn this off. All right, check out the tires here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Alright, let's move this around. So you can see right here, let's put this side by side. I think this is the correct direction. Right here. As you can see on this tire right here, see the thread is already showing. So this section right here. Oh, my tires, they're rolling out. These bloopers right here. They just rolled out on me. Runaway tires. I used to play like this when we were little. Good thing nobody was there. That's the beauty of living in a cul-de-sac. Anyways, as you can see, you can clearly see that this side has been eaten out, wearing out unevenly. It's almost like the sidewall compared to this one. So this side showing the thread already, and I believe somewhere in there it's kind of cracked. So I don't know if it's gonna show. Let me see if it's gonna show. See that? It's really uneven wear. So basically, if you look at this tire, this side of it, so it's still got a lot of thread everywhere else except this side. So that's not very good. I have to have that corrected before this tiles get installed. So I don't know if you guys have experienced this. If you guys have, you know, Charger scat packs and you've experienced this really unusual uneven wear of the tires. As you can see there, this tire is about 2 years old. I put this on about spring of 2017, and look, the rest of the tire still has a lot of thread left. In fact, these are designed to wear, the letters DWS, to wear out. That means that if this wore out, not good for snow, no good for wet, no good for dry. As you can see, they're still pretty much intact. So if this wasn't unevenly wearing, I bet you I could still probably get another year out of this. And you know, they're quite expensive tires. So basically this side right here is gone. Same in the back, same on the other side. It's just much worse on this side. So I'm gonna get this installed tomorrow and make a video so that you guys can see that, and then have it corrected so that I don't have to keep changing tires every 2 years. It gets expensive real quick. So comment below please if you have experienced something like this, and let me know your experience, how you got it corrected, or it still keep doing it. I don't know, man. You know, I certainly love driving these cars, but if they eat up tires like that, you gotta be ready. You gotta have the money in order to support that tire eating habit, I would say. So yeah, please you know, have your experience and comments below so I can, you know, gauge whether this is normal or certainly unusual for Dodge Charger scat packs to do this. The back over there, I can't really show you, but I have pictures that I will attach to this video so you can see. Anyways, we'll keep you guys updated, And please comment below on your experience with your tires with the Charger Scat-Packs. I really would need some help so I can get a gauge of this, if it's normally happening or not. Alright? Let me know in the comments below. Alright. It's doing the same thing on this side, right? Mm-hmm. Just worse on the other. It's not rubbing on anywhere.
Oh no.
Alright. Okay. This looks better. In a pinch, you can probably still use that as a spare.
Yeah, absolutely. You know,
yeah.
You just got less, you know, you got more tread wear over here.
Right.
You know,
the other one is just worse than the...
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one needs to be thrown away, but I'll probably keep that one. Just for, what do you call this? It's nice to... Emergencies. You know, it takes a couple days to order a tire.
So you can notice the tread wear is about the same, honestly. On this one, it's just starting to split. On this one, it's a little more, you know.
Right. Right. Starting to split here. And
there, and then boom.
Yeah, this one is a big split right there. Mm-hmm. Right. So the thread wear basically just opened. This is worse, right? It just started to open.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Yeah. All right. Yeah, but it's not rubbing anywhere. It's definitely the...
No, absolutely not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe if you got 50 or 60,000 miles out of it.
Right. That's even better. They're rated to 50,000 miles.
Right, but you didn't even get 20, not even 10.
Not even, yeah.
Not even 10.
Yeah.
Did you? So, oh, right here, I can see it.
Oh.
Right there's the bend. Right there. You see how it lops down?
Yeah, it's the inside, huh?
Spot?
It's the inside, yeah.
Now watch me spin it.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah.
The whole tire is moving, so that's, you know, going to make it shake.
Right. The inside.
And if you look at the outside, so that's it right there.
Right.
That's the bend. If you look at this side while it's spinning.
Yeah.
We'll see if it has a flat spot on the outside, but hopefully it's just on the inside. So right where it stops at the top, on the other side is where it was flat.
Yeah, here it
is. Look that way here.
So the inside was the one that got...
Yeah,
so just to give you guys an update, the tires are installed, but only on the passenger side, and obviously it's 265/35, but it cleared the A-arm bolts, so it's fine, it works, and a lot more meat into the you know, rim, to protect the rim a little bit more with all the potholes in here. But the worst news is that the driver's side rims, when he put it on the we put it on the spin machine, the balancer, it looks like it's bent. So I'm gonna have to go to another shop to get this bent rim corrected. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just gonna have to see if this gets fixed today. Wish me luck. Here we go. It's gonna get fixed. Those are the new tires that are mounted. They're easier for sure. They're 35s. Yeah. So they'll bring it over there to get it mounted. It's the first time I've seen it rolling. The new tires. They look good. What are the chances there's a Hellcat in here that's got a flat tire? B5 blue Hellcat with a busted tire. Alright. What are the chances of that happening? Let's go. Looks like it's all fixed. The rims are fixed. They look good. Perfect. Thanks. Appreciate it. 65, 35, 22. A little more meat on them. So hopefully protect the rim a little bit. They fixed it up like brand new, so should be well. Now we just have to wait for the tires for the back, which I ordered a 305/30 22 here. Should come in Monday. Everything should be fine. All right.